Namaskar. Welcome to Government E-Marketplace. RA Creation Service. In a reverse auction, RA service providers bid for the prices at which they are willing to sell their services. In a regular auction, a seller puts up an item and buyers place bids until the close of the auction, at which time the item goes to highest bidder. In a reverse auction, RA, the buyer puts up a request for a required good or service. Sellers then place bids for the amount they are willing to be paid for it. And at the end of the auction, the seller with the lowest amount wins. Let's take a look at the RA creation process for procuring a service step by step. Open gem.gov.in and click on Login. Buyer or secondary user makes purchases on Gem. He or she will need to log into their account to perform this task. Enter user ID, the CAPTCHA text and click Submit. Enter your password and click here to proceed. Click on Market and from the drop-down menu, click on Services to check out the list of services available. Search for the service by typing in the keywords here. List of all services under the service category selected by you can be viewed here. Select category. Pest control service under housekeeping services category has been selected here. Enter the contract start date, end date, the delivery address and the zip code. Enter the tab Intent of buying. Click on Bid. Click here to add your location and quantity. Select the location and enter area to be services in square meters and then click here to continue. You can view the service providers offering here. From the list of filters, select the type of service and the duration. Choose the type of service. The market will appear basis the filters you have applied. Click here to preview the formula. Formula preview. The market will appear basis the filters you have applied. Select the relevant offering to proceed. Click here to proceed. Click here to create RA. Click on the service to fetch its specifications. All the specifications can be viewed and edited here. Click here to save and proceed. Here, you can view the consignee details and area to be serviced. Click here to continue. Click here to continue. Click here to proceed. Select the RA duration, time, life cycle and offer validity. Please select the response duration for clarifications from the sellers. Buyers can seek clarifications from the sellers during technical evaluation. Sellers would be required to submit their responses within the declared time. Clarification can be sought multiple times. RA estimated value is the approximation of the total cost for project completion. For price on demand services, it is mandatory for the buyer to provide the estimated value for EMD and eligibility criteria consideration. You can edit the RA estimated value from here. The new value entered will override the existing RA estimated value and will be considered for the EMD and eligibility criteria. Choose Yes if you want to display the RA estimated value in the RA document. Select your contract duration. Specify the eligibility criterion if required. Select Yes to enable seller to upload a PDF as part of the financial document. Seller to upload prices of spares, consumables as PDF. Refer to the tooltip for more details. Applicable for specific categories only. Define additional qualifications or data required for participating service providers here, if needed. As per GFR 2017, QCBS as method of evaluation should be used for procuring consulting services. However, as per the recent OM number F1/1/2021 PPD dated 29th October 2021 issued by Department of Expenditure, Ministry of Finance, QCBS can also be used for procuring non-consulting services where the estimated value for procurement does not exceed Rs 10 crores or where the procurement has been declared to be a quality-oriented procurement QOP by the competent authority. Read the advisory. Choose Yes for QCBS evaluation if required. Click on No More for details. Define technical qualification parameters, their weightage, set cutoff for each parameter if required. Also, upload qualification scoring methodology document and choose if seller needs to upload supporting document. In addition, please define the total minimum passing marks required, the technical, financial weightage, and select if interview interaction and presentation be required as part of the selection process. Click on Add New to define additional technical parameters. Choose Yes for LCS evaluation if required. Click on No More for details. Define quality parameters, their weightage. Set cutoff for each parameter if required. Also, upload qualification scoring methodology document and choose if seller needs to upload supporting document. In addition, please define the total minimum passing marks required in technical evaluation for seller to be eligible for financial evaluation. Click on Add New to define additional technical parameters. Select Yes to opt for pre-bid interaction and provide venue details and timings. Click here to continue. You can choose to request for EMD and EPBG for order value greater than 5 lakhs, though not mandatory. Select No if not required. Click here to save and proceed. Splitting option is not available with RA. You can select additional terms and conditions from the listed ones as per your requirement. Click here to add your own bid-specific ATC with approval from your competent authority. Select if you wish to update text-based ATC clauses or upload ATC document and click on Add. Click here to update the clause. Click here to agree to the terms and conditions. You can download the bid document from here. Select the relevant option to verify and publish the bid. You can view your published bids under the Published Bids tab. Here is a sample RA document.